हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल फाइनेंशियल लेसन्स विद संचित जलतारे। और आज मैं आपके साथ फाइनेंशियल लेसन नंबर 4 शेयर करने वाला हूँ फ्रॉम द बुक थिंक एंड ग्रो रिच रिटन बाय नेपोलियन हिल। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। द फाइनेंशियल लेसन नंबर 4 इज ऑटो सजेशन, द मीडियम फॉर इन्फ्लुएंसिंग द सबकॉन्शियस माइंड, द थर्ड स्टेप टू riches. Auto suggestion is the term that applies to all suggestions and all set administered stimuli that reach one's mind through the five senses. Stated in another way, auto suggestion is self-suggestion. It is the agency of communication between that part of mind where conscious takes place and that which serves as the seat of action for the subconscious mind. Through the dominating thoughts one permit to remain in the conscious mind, the principle of autosuggestion voluntarily reaches the subconscious mind and influences it with these thoughts. No thoughts, whether it is negative or positive, can enter the subconscious mind without the aid of the principle of autosuggestion. With the exception of thought picked up from the ether. Stated difficulty, all sense impressions which are perceived through the five senses are stopped by the conscious thinking mind and may be either passed on to the subconscious mind or rejected at will. The conscious facility serves through as an outer guard to the approach of the subconscious. Nature has built us so that we have absolute control over the materials which reaches our subconscious mind through our five senses. Although that is not meant to be constructed as a statement that we always exercise this control, in the great majority of instances we do not exercise it, which explains why so many people go through life in poverty. Recall what had been said about the subconscious mind resembling a fertile garden spot in which wheat will grow in abundance if the seed of more desirable crop are not sown there. Autosuggestion is the agency of the control through which an individual may voluntarily feed the subconscious mind through thoughts of a creative nature or by neglect permit thoughts of destructive nature to find their way into this rich garden of the mind. You were instructed in the last of the 6 steps to read about twice daily the written statement your desire for money and to feel yourself already in the possession of the money. By following these instructions, you communicate the object of your desire directly to your subconscious mind in spirit of absolute faith. Through repetition of this procedure, you voluntarily create through thoughts habits favorable to your efforts to transmutate desire into monetary equivalent. So इसके अंदर ये बोल रहे हैं कि ऑटो सजेशन एक तरह का मतलब ये इसमें ऑटो सजेशन की बात की जा रही है इस फाइनेंशियल लेसन नंबर 4 में कि सबकॉन्शियस माइंड होता है जो आपकी सोच है, जो आपकी थॉट प्रोसेस होता है, उसके अंदर आप डिस्ट्रक्टिव थॉट्स भी ला सकते हो और पॉजिटिव थॉट्स भी ला सकते हो. सो मोस्टली आपको पॉजिटिव थॉट्स लाने की कोशिश रखनी चाहिए अपने सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में, ताकि आपका जो इन्फ्लुएंस होता है क्योंकि ऑटो सजेशन आपके माइंड को इन्फ्लुएंस करता है. पॉजिटिव थॉट्स आने से आप मतलब ज़्यादा सक्सेसफुल होने के आपके चांसेस बढ़ते हैं. तो यही इसमें समझाने की कोशिश करें इस लेसन में. इफ़ यू लाइक दिस लेसन प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू.